Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share a YouTube video on X or Twitter. What you first need to do is to go ahead and find a video you would like to embed. Head over to your YouTube app and then click to find a video. I'm going to embed this one here, this random video. Pause the video. Next, you need to go to the share button, which is located in the three dots. You can see all of these buttons. Just slide to it if you cannot find it. Click on share. Under the share feature, you should see a list of apps. You should see X. Click on X, and it will then open a window where it will populate your tweet with the title and the link. You can now add your own text if you want to. For example, if I type hello, it will appear alongside the embedded link. Once you are done, post the tweet. To see it, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select profile. You will see your video link there. Keep in mind that you won't be able to preview the video directly on X. It will only show the link, and if someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to YouTube to watch it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!